The pickup was smooth. Picked up at 8 a.m. and back home at 3:30 p.m. We upgraded to the 10 kilometers whitewater trip, highly recommend. Photos were 500 TBH extra but we got about 50 of them. Lunch was really good. Highly recommend for family trip. This is our highlight of our first Chiang Mai trip and it is a 100%. Everything from confirmation text, inquiry, pickup, safety briefing, lunch, the soup is so good, hot showering facilities, with shampoo etc. The actual ATV and rafting procedure were well planned and executed. The photographers took excellent photos, worth the money to buy the photos. All the 8Adventures staff at Chiang Mai were welcoming, knowledgeable and helpful. A big shout out to one of ATV instructors, in the photo, who gave us bonus lesson on elephants. We can see how much he loves elephants and we were thankful he shared so much interesting facts and real stories of rescued elephants with us. We will definitely recommend 8Adventures to our families and friends. Thank you so much for making our trip a super fun and most importantly safe day at 8Adventures. Wonderful rafting experience. The water level is low in this season so it feels quite safe when doing this activity. The company staff helped us to take wonderful pictures. It is worth recommending. Thumbs up emoji. The safety is very high. Thumbs up emoji. The ATV event sent 5 coaches to outflank the front, middle and back. Rafting also has 10 coaches who are responsible for different positions on the mountain and in the water to take care of me. Thumbs up emoji. Come again next time. Very good. Needs to be longer. 10 kilometers is too less. We decided to make our own way there by bike. Bad mistake. It's very cold in the Chiang Mai mornings so I got there already freezing cold but that was my error. The staff were very friendly and full of positive energy. They explained the health and safety aspects to everyone and we set off. The place was beautiful. Rapids were fun and exhilarating. Their cameraman took some epic photos and we decided to purchase them at the end of the tour for 500 baht. They offered us good food, tea and coffee and hot showers with clean towels. Overall an amazing experience but my only advice is take a taxi, don't drive there yourself. This ATV and rafting tour is a must-try experience when you go to Chiang Mai or Chiang Rai. There were 2 instructors guiding the 2 of us when we were driving the ATV. We first learnt the basic skills in a safe place without cars. Then, we were taken to the roads. It was really fun. There weren't many cars. One person was there taking photos for us too. In the afternoon, we went on rafting in groups of 4 with other visitors. It was very exciting but very safe. There were a lot of instructors all along the river. Thumbs up emoji. It was a very cool adventure. Picked up from the hotel. The journey took about an hour. On the way, they showed a video with instructions. We were brought to the base, there was still a little briefing, we were given equipment and we went kayaking down the river. The rafting was exciting and safety was high. After that, we returned to the base, where we took a shower and had lunch. After lunch, we went hiking to the waterfall. During the hike there was a very friendly guide with us. He told a lot of interesting things about these places and even gave advice on survival, how to get drinking water, how to make a rope, etc. We returned to the hotel after sunset. It was one of the best experiences in Thailand. The staff is awesome as well as the streams after raining. So fantastic moments our group had. Thanks for everything. Oh, we got the wild papaya from the safeguard, romantic face emoji, so awesome. The company is well run. Good communication, day before to confirm meetup time, day after to follow up on feedback. During the tour, they care about safety, equipment looks well maintained, each customer paired with a guide during kayaking and extra safety teams are along some spots at riverbank and also kayaking alongside. You will also see elephant bathing along the river most likely.